If you run a small to medium business, then you'll understand how vitally important it is that you maintain contact with your client base. But how do you achieve this in a streamlined way? Well, you can use a text message marketing service like TextMagic. TextMagic allows you to contact all of your clients in one simple operation. I'm Steve Knight from Make Use Of, and today we're going to look at just how easy it is to send a message with TextMagic. Let's dive in.
Okay, so the first thing you'll notice when you sign into your TextMagic account is the simple user interface. In fact, the first screen that TextMagic presents you with is exactly what you need to contact your customers, the Compose window. And from here, you can send messages to individual customers, groups of contacts, you can insert templates, or you can schedule messages to go out at a later date. However, before you send your first message, there are a couple of steps you should complete. Obviously, you can't send a message if you have no contacts to send it to, so your first port of call should be the Contacts menu option on the left of the screen. Clicking this will initially open your contacts in List View. You can access a list of your contacts here and add new ones if necessary, or, to save you time, you can just click New Contact. Then, you can add individual client details to the directory, or import a database file, such as a CSV, which already contains all of your contacts. If we head into the My Contacts section, you can see that I've added 8 contacts to my list. And then if we head back into the Lists view, you should be able to see that I've broken these down into 2 groups, customers and partners. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've used my own number as the partner's contact so that I can show you the message arriving on my smartphone and what it looks like when it arrives. Buying credits is easy too. Just click the Buy Credit button and enter your details. If you're not sure how many credits you need to buy, just select the pricing calculator. As you can see, I've added some credit to my balance, and that means I can now begin sending text messages to my clients. I'm going to start by sending a message to my partners with a reminder that my brand will appear at the Mobile World Congress this year and to visit the stand. Let's head back to the main screen. From here, I can select lists, and I can add the partners list, allowing me to send a text message to every partner in the group. I'm going to retain the default sender settings, and now I just need to add my message. All we need to do now is click send. And there you'll see a report that the message has been successfully sent to the recipient. We will now switch to my cell phone screen so that you can see what the message looks like for a client and how you can continue the conversation in the chats window. Now that the partner number has responded, you'll see that the text message has appeared in the chats window. You can now reply to each message as though you're using an instant messenger service. As you can see, I've just replied to our partner. Next, I want to inform the people on my customer list about a flash sale my brand is running. So, heading back to the Compose pane, I select Customers from my list of contacts, add the list, and send the message to everyone in my customer group. Again, the message has been successfully sent to 7 recipients. Of course, you can also explore additional options such as scheduling messages to go out in the future, or you can create templates, which means that while you're on the go, the whole process is significantly easier.
So, now that you know what TextMagic can do for your business communications, why not give it a try? It's simple and easy to create and send messages to your clients, and you'll find that you've built a great rapport with your customers in no time.